Somewhere, something incredible is waiting to be known. Every one of us is, in the cosmic perspective, precious. If a human disagrees with you, let him live. In 100 billion galaxies, you will not find another. Science is not only compatible with spirituality, it is a profound source of spirituality. One glance at a book and you hear the voice of another person. Perhaps someone dead for 1,000 years. To read is to voyage through time. If you wish to make an apple pie from scratch, you must first invent the universe. For me, it is far better to grasp the universe as it really is than to persist in delusion, however satisfying and reassuring. Extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence. For small creatures such as we, the vastness is bearable only through love. The cosmos is within us. We are made of star stuff. We are a way for the universe to know itself. Imagination will often carry us to worlds that never were. But without it we go nowhere. We are like butterflies who flutter for a day and think it is forever. It pays to keep an open mind, but not so open your brains fall out. The universe is a pretty big place. If it's just us, seems like an awful waste of space. Books permit us to voyage through time, to tap the wisdom of our ancestors. We can judge our progress by the courage of our questions and the depth of our answers. Our willingness to embrace what is true rather than what feels good. I don't want to believe. I want to know. We are a way for the cosmos to know itself. The beauty of a living thing is not the atoms that go into it, but the way those atoms are put together. The absence of evidence is not the evidence of absence. We make our world significant by the courage of our questions and the depth of our answers. I consider it an extremely dangerous doctrine, because the more likely we are to assume that the solution comes from the outside, the less likely we are to solve our problems ourselves. The universe seems neither benign nor hostile, merely indifferent. If it can be destroyed by the truth, it deserves to be destroyed by the truth. Extinction is the rule. Survival is the exception. Science is a way of thinking much more than it is a body of knowledge. The cure for a fallacious argument is a better argument, not the suppression of ideas. In all our searching, the only thing we've found that makes the emptiness bearable is each other. In the vastness of space and the immensity of time, it is my joy to share a planet and an epoch with Annie. You have to know the past to understand the present. But nature is always more subtle, more intricate, more elegant than what we are able to imagine. Books break the shackles of time, Proof that humans can work magic. Understanding is a kind of ecstasy. Books are like seeds. They can lie dormant for centuries and then flower in the most unpromising soil. Avoidable human misery is more often caused not so much by stupidity as by ignorance. Particularly our ignorance about ourselves.